How to transfer money from bank account to Binance. First, open the Binance app on your Android or iOS device. Once you're in the app, click on the Add Funds button and then select Deposit Currency. The available options may vary depending on your region. After selecting Deposit, choose the currency you want to use. The payment methods will also vary depending on your bank account and the selected currency. Changing the currency will also change the available payment methods. Click Continue, then enter the amount you want to deposit into your Binance account from your bank account. Next, click on Continue and then confirm the transaction. Open your payment app to confirm the transaction and avoid any issues. After clicking Confirm, the amount will be deducted from your bank account and deposited into Binance. The process is very simple. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.